Often, when things don't go as planned, we start feeling stressed, trying to take control of every outcome. But the truth is, in those moments, forcing control only drains our energy. Sometimes, the best thing we can do is surrender and let life unfold on its own. We were already dreaming of sailing the Caribbean on our beautiful sailboat, making memories, exploring, and enjoying life as a family. But, as I always say, there is usually a reason why things happen the way they do, even if we can't see it just yet. So stay with us until the end, where we'll share the full story of what's going on and what comes next. Welcome to La Bohème family, a trio with big dreams. I'm Roberta, and this is my partner Onur. And she is our little adventurer Luna. We are on a journey to live a life filled with freedom and unforgettable experiences. We decide to break away from the conventional lifestyle and set sail around the world in our trusty sailboat. Join us as we navigate the seas, discover new culture, and share the highs and lows of our sailing adventure. So, hit the subscribe button and let's sail together.
Good morning from another Bristol morning. Today is 30 degree Fahrenheit and minus 1 degree Celsius. So it's actually freezing time in the Bristol. Is November is already starting. So today this week update actually, we are leaving the boat here. We actually decided to leave the boat here. Why? First of all, they just scheduled me second week of November to launch in the water. But when they are putting me in the water, there is no buoy anymore because the harbor master, he decided to take the buoys in 2nd of November. And when you don't have a buoy, it's what's happening. So they told me about that. There are such a big storms here. So if the people, they let their boat on that storm, buoy can break the chain, boat can break the buoy. So it will be damaging all these docks around there. And first, there is no buoy for us after they launch. Second, there is no crane actually to put the mast up. And I just said that, okay, let's do this, but I will find another shipyard somewhere close to here, maybe 1 hour away. But I cannot find insurance right now. I searched a lot. After the hurricane situation, nobody's wanted to give the insurance right now. And they are struggling for giving the new insurance. I found a no-name insurance company just for liability for 1 year. The cost is $3,500 sorry. And I said, oh my God, it's super expensive just for liability to that type of insurance. So I think the smart way, the wise way to think on this, leave the boat here and come on here on May and put the boat May on the water. And we should definitely wait until November again because of the hurricane season. But in the main, we will travel all these islands around here. And my thought, maybe we can make better view, like we never had main experience before. So we have to do the sailboat main experience, all these islands. Maybe we can go to Canada. Who knows? And after that, maybe we can directly hit to Virgin Islands, because from here to Virgin Islands directly to sail 2 weeks. From here, Florida is also 2 weeks directly go. And from Florida to Virgin Islands is also another 2 weeks. So it is such a funny map when you are checking it. It's to go to Virgin Island, it is super easy way to go from here to go outside the Bermuda and go straight shot to go south. So it's a nice voyages. Let's see how it will turn out. We don't know yet, but it's just in the plan.
Since we had to wait a little longer to sail, Onur has started getting the boat ready for winter. He winterized the engine and the entire plumbing system, adding antifreeze to protect them from the cold month ahead. So for winterizing the engine, first Onur added 5 gallons of antifreeze into a bucket.
So we are doing everything reverse right now. I am putting inside impeller all this antifreeze to make the raw water inside, to protect with the antifreeze, take out all the water. So it will be 5 gallons inside that bucket, and I will start engine to run all this water.
Then he started the engine, allowing the impeller to pull the antifreeze into the raw water cooling system.
Engine starts and taking all this.
This process pushed out any remaining fresh water in the system, protecting it for winter.
There should be someone over here to wait for the color of the antifreeze to check, but of course I have no one, so that's why I need to take it and smell it if I can find out.
For winterizing the plumbing system, Onur used 1 gallon of antifreeze, connecting a hose after the freshwater filter so that the pump pushed the antifreeze through the system.
Okay, so I winterized the plumbing system. And what I did is the 1 gallon jar of the antifreeze, and I put it after water filter and use the pump to go all my filtration, all my head and the kitchen sink. So I have to make sure that hot water and cold water all has the antifreeze. So that's the system, how you guys can do it and take it out the water filter. It is important, otherwise you cannot remove the taste on it. So there's the extra hose, you have to hook it up on the filtration system.
And then he ensured that antifreeze flowed through each faucet, both heads and the galley, until all fresh water was fully flushed out.
So check it out, no air, nothing. You have to leave it open also if there's anything left, so it has to be expanded.
Here are a few tips we found useful for winterizing the boat. First, never put antifreeze in the water tank, the freshwater drinking system, and the heater tank, as these can hold onto the smell. For the heater tank, disconnect the hoses and connect the hot water hose directly to the cold water hose.
So this is the water heater, and this is the not connected. It is connected the hot water to go straight to cold water system. And this one is pump, like a pressurized pump, to make the water pump works. That's the hose is going all the way there. Behind.
And then seal up all portholes and hatches to keep any animals out of the boat. Remove any food on board. Turn off all electronics and ensure all batteries are charged and disconnected.
So when you are leaving the room, each room I have damped it for the humidity. So everywhere is closed and extreme cold and temperature change, so it will be humid inside the boat. So these things will be protect the boat to make all kind of problem. Like I have this one here.
So for now we are saying goodbye to La Bohème, carrying with us the motivation and excitement to finally launch her next season. The thought of being together on the water, just the three of us, where we truly belong, keeps us going.
So what we will do in the winter time, I'm going back to Europe to meet my family, and we have other projects in Europe. Maybe we will show you guys on these projects also on the way. Let's see how it will turn out. Thank you for your guys' support. I appreciate it really much. We never expected that sport will become, but we are just doing it. So if you guys following us, appreciate it. Thank you. Chin chin.
Hello everyone. Here we are. Still in Italy. Still waiting, but we are happy because we're gonna see Daddy again soon. So at least there is a bright side. Obviously we are a little bit sad because you know, we wanted to be on the boat, sailing around, but it's okay. It is what it is, and yeah, we have plans here in Europe. We have other things that we want to do, so no. I'm so sorry. Luna was super tired, so I let her to sleep. And I was saying that we are super happy and excited to finally see Onur again after all this month apart. So there is this bright side, and as he said, we have other projects here in Europe, so stay tuned for this. Like always, thank you so much for watching, for supporting us, for motivating us. We truly appreciate all of this. Like always, if you guys want to support us by buying us coffee, here is the QR code and the link. Or if you'd like to be part of our Patreon community, here is the QR code and the link. Thank you so much. Grazie. See you next week.